Cost control. Cost control is a measure taken by the management to assure that the cost objective set down in the planning stages are attained and to assure that all the segments of organization function in a consistent manner with its policies. The steps involved in designing process of cost controlling systems are mainly establishing the norms. To exercise cost control, it is essential to establish norms, targets, or parameters which may serve as a yardstick to achieve the ultimate objective. These standard norms or targets may be set on the basis of research, study, or past actual. The second one is appraisal. The appraisal is nothing but the actual results are compared with the set of norms to determine the degree of utilization of men, machines, and materials. The deviations are analyzed so as to arrive at the costs which are controllable and uncontrollable. The third one is the corrective measures. The variants are reviewed and remedial measures or revision of target, norms, standards, etc. as required are taken. Inventory control or purchase control. It is an element of material control. Purchasing is an important function of material management because in purchase of material, a substantial portion of the company's finance is committed which affects cash flow position of the company. The success of a business is to a large extent influenced by the efficiency of its purchase organization. The main importance of inventory control is the efficient utilization of resources and it increases the coordination with other departments. It provides and maintains the best consumer service. The effective inventory control system is it should provide a proper check against losses. The inventory should be classified clearly so that each item should be given in a separate code for quick identification. A separate storeroom must be equipped with all facilities. The experienced and qualified person should be appointed in purchase and other related departments. A proper record should be maintained. It should dispose of non-moving materials and unnecessary items in time. The inventory cost would be high when the stock the entire quantities of the material. The material should be reviewed from time to time. There is a basic fixed order quantity model that is economic order quantity. It was developed more than 70 years ago. For example, the purchase of the material required for 1 year, it should be reduce the inventory cost. The material in small quantities it should be purchased. From the graph, the order cost, carrying cost, total cost are plotted. Carrying cost increases directly with the size of the order and the order cost vary inversely with the size of the order. Thus, the point EOQ represents the optimum order which minimizes the total cost of inventory management. Economic order quantity EOQ is nothing but it is a square root of 2 into D into S divided by C, where D is the demand per year, S is the ordering cost, and C is the annual carrying cost of one unit. There is another system called just-in-time system. In this method, the supplier delivers the material to the production spot just in time to be assembled. This method reduces the cost of inventory. The inventory required is very less, so there is no stocks of raw material in stores or in work centers. The essential requirement for just-in-time method is required a trained and skilled workers. It required a reduction in batch size. A smooth relationship with suppliers is necessary. A supplier should be located near the company and effective maintenance of machineries is required. The major advantage of this just-in-time is inventory cost is reduced. It improves the best plant layout and it leads to the job satisfaction of the employees. There will be more number of wastages can be reduced and it will improve the efficiency of the workers. The main disadvantage of this just in time is the stoppage of any machine will affect the work. The unskilled employees affect the process.